It's time now for the Wall Street Beat. It's the talk of the town. The Trump administration is finalizing an executive order that would allow 401k retirement plans to invest in private equity. This move would be a major win for the industry. PE stocks are rallying on the news. Many of these stocks have been under pressure all year. Joining us now with details, Bloomberg's private equity reporter Allison McNeely, who's been following the story closely, reported back in May that this was under consideration. Now, executive order to make this happen is a really interesting vehicle. There are a lot of regulatory bodies at play between the SEC and the Department of Labor. But first, describe the significance of this. How would this really change the business model? We know that every one of these firms has been trying to push further and further into retail, and this could be a massive gate that's lifted.
Yes. So private equity and all their sort of private markets assets have traditionally been held in professionally managed pensions, endowments, those sorts of retirement accounts. There's about $12 trillion sitting in 401ks or defined contribution plans. Those plans are largely invested in stocks and bonds. And private equity firms are really always looking for new frontiers for growth. They are, especially the public ones, they're trying to grow assets under management, they're trying to grow fees, expand their business. You've got some $12 trillion that they have not tapped. So if they could get even a slice of that, that opens up a whole new channel for growth and for revenues.
Yeah, and it's not just, of course, the Blackstones, the Apollos of the world. You had BlackRock's Larry Fink yesterday basically say that, or rather it was Martin Small say that they're trying to get private assets in retirement funds in 2026. So asset managers of all stripes really psyched here. I don't know what to make of the fact that it was an executive order coming here rather than, something from the SEC or something along those lines.
Yeah, so an executive order really helps the government signal this is a priority for us. This is something that you should get to work on. And from the industry standpoint, it's an encouraging signal that, the Trump administration is taking their lobbying very seriously and saying, hey, we want to get into these accounts. And this is essentially the administration's way of saying, we hear you, and now we're directing government agencies to work on this and to look into this and to open it up.